Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to export your Monday.com CRM data to a PDF file using the DocExport feature. Now first, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the CRM board or workspace where your data is stored. Go to the Integration Center and search for the DocExport. Now follow the instructions to install the integration for your Monday.com account. Once the integration is active, open your CRM board and you should see the DocExport icon. Click on it and select the data you want to export. Choose the PDF format for export and after processing, download the PDF file directly to your device. And that is how you export your Monday.com CRM data to PDF using DocExport. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.